How to show Discord game activity on mobile devices. So the first thing you want to do is make sure that your Discord is updated. Now go to your Play Store or App Store, then search for Discord. And if there is an update, just click Update. Once done, open your Discord app. Now you should go to your Discord profile. You can see it at the bottom right corner of your screen where there's your profile picture. Then first you must go to accessibility and turn on sync with device settings. Once you've done that, if you want to show your game activity, one way to do that is go to connections. Here you can see I have connected my Spotify. As you can see, you can connect not just games. So now you must click the add button. Then there you have it. You have many options. So for example, you're going to play Dota 2. So Dota 2 is played through Steam. So you click Steam and here you must log in to your Steam account. And then whenever you are playing a Steam game on your computer or laptop, it will also show as your game activity on your mobile phone. So other than that, you can choose among these games on Epic, League of Legends, PlayStation games, or Xbox games. So once you've done that, you can also set a custom status like you can write like this, playing Dota 2. And that's it. Hope this video helped you and see you on the next one.